Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study pharmacology GRG step by step. Begin by grouping drugs by class and mechanism, then schedule short focus sessions with clear goals. Prioritize high-yield agents, side effects, and monitoring parameters. Create a master list to review daily and quiz yourself using flashcards or practice questions. Stay consistent, track your progress, and adjust your plan based on weak areas to build lasting recall and confidence. In this video, I will explain how to study pharmacology GRG step by step. Start with mechanisms of action, then learn therapeutic uses and the most common adverse effects. Use comparison charts to contrast similar drugs and highlight distinguishing features. Memorize critical monitoring parameters and major interactions that affect safety. Reinforce concepts with clinical scenarios and teach someone else to solidify understanding and identify any lingering knowledge gaps quickly. In this video, I will explain how to study pharmacology GRG step by step. Quick recommendation: keep water handy during intense study sessions to maintain focus and energy. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides for you. I use a handy Oala water bottle that keeps me hydrated during long reviews. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study pharmacology GRG step by step. Adopt active strategies like spaced repetition flashcards and targeted practice questions to move facts into long-term memory. Simulate clinical cases to apply drug choices, dosing, and monitoring. Teach aloud or record short explanations to expose gaps and improve recall. Review errors immediately and adjust your flashcard set so repetition focuses on what you still struggle to remember.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.